Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create Google Family Group. Google always try to provide best services to its users and brings innovative and unique services ideas in field of technology. It always to try to connect people through communication regardless where someone is living. This time Google brings Google Family Group, where you can add up those 6 family members or friends in the group and share pictures. Let's start the video. To create Google Family Group, follow these steps. Go to Setting on your smartphone. Scroll down to Google. Some people have options. Recommended and all services. Scroll down to Kids and Family. Family Group. Here are the details what you can share in this group once created. Share pictures. Stay connected to your family. Keep track of everyone. Share entertainment, games, events, videos, calendar, and much more through this group with members. Click on Create Family Group. Here message appears. Ready to be a family manager. Click on Confirm. Now, it asks you to invite through SMS or not. Here I chose No Thanks option. Now enter email address of friend or family member to whom you want invite in the group. Invitation send through email. When the friend or family member accept our invite through link given in email, then he or she become group member. Here is the invitation mail. Once he or she accept, then you can able to share anything in the group with group members, and group members also share any premium videos or anything. Now you can check and share anything. You can also check history of sharing in group, Netflix, movies, Prime videos, and much more. Hope you liked the video. Post comment in video. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.